Successive percentage changes happen when a value changes by more than one percentage change in sequence. Let's check it out. For example, a price might increase by 10% and then increase again by another 10%. Each percentage change is applied to the new value, not the original value. Let's start with a product that costs £100. First, we calculate a 10% increase. 10% of £100 is £10. After adding the increase, the new price becomes £110. Now we apply the second 10% increase to the new value. 10% of £110 is £11. After adding the second increase, the final value becomes £121. Successive percentage changes appear in compound interest, inflation, population growth, and many financial calculations. A common mistake is to simply add the percentages together and treat it as a 20% increase. Instead, each percentage change must be applied one after the other, using the new value each time. For successive percentage changes, calculate the first change, update the value, then apply the next change. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.